welcome back to my channel. So, welcome to my kitchen as well. So, in today's video, I'm going to be baking some scones. So I hope that you do enjoy. If you do, don't forget to smash the thumbs up down below. Don't forget to also subscribe. So I've got all of my ingredients laid out in front of me. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, so I've got the recipe up on the phone here. So I have preheated the oven to 200 degrees. And the first thing I need to do is put the flour. So I think it was it 450 grams of self-raising flour. So that just needs to go into the bowl. There we go. So I'm just going to sift the flour in a little bit at a time. So I'm going to put in some salt. It's half a teaspoon of salt. It's about half. And then I need the bicarbonate of soda. And I need to put in 1 teaspoon of that. So that's just 1 teaspoon. And then 100 grams of butter. Okay, so now that the butter is in, I'm just going to rub this all with my hands until it makes it into breadcrumbs. Okay, so I think this is about the consistency I need. So I'm just going to see what's next. I need to add the milk. So the recipe actually said buttermilk, but I don't have it, so I've just got milk. So it says that, oh, I need to mix in the sugar first, sorry. Like that. So I'm just going to mix it in with my wooden spoon. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the milk. So it says quickly, so that's all of it. Like that. So next I'm going to add the vanilla extract. So I just need just a splash of this. Oh, that's about half a bottle, but oh well. The cherries. So how many cherries will I need? 100 grams of cherries. So there's 200 grams in here. So what I might just do is I might just push this to one side. And I'm just going to cut my cherries up into maybe like halves. I'll keep some whole and some half. Okay, so now I have done the cherries. I'm just going to pop those in. And then it says to form a dough, so I'm actually just going to use my hands to do this part because I just feel like it would just be a little bit easier. Does anybody else just hate doing this part? Like, I hate getting my hands all mucky and dirty. It makes me feel disgusting. But I'm sure it'll all be worth it in the end. So the recipe just says to knead it in the bowl so that it all binds together, and then take it out of the bowl and roll it out onto the work surface. Okay, so now I'm just going to pop some flour on the worktop, spread it around nice and evenly, and then I'm going to roll my dough onto it and knead it. Okay, so the way that I might do it is I might actually just pull it apart and put it onto the baking tray like that, so just sort of make even parts, if that makes sense. And just roll them out so that they're all round, and then bake them like that, because I just feel like it'll look a little bit more sort of homemade. So I think that's what I shall do. So I just need to get a baking tray. So like I say, I'm just going to break bits off it. I might roll them a little bit in the flour just so that they're not quite as sticky, because the cherries are really sticky. It's making it a little bit harder for me to sort of roll out. And so I'm just going to put 4 on the baking tray for now, because I'm not too sure how much they're going to rise or spread or anything like that. So I'm just going to pop 4 on there for now. And then these will go in the oven for 12 minutes. So it will be just after 5 o'clock when they come out. I'm going to put the other ones in the oven now. So here they are before they go in the oven. So they should be done at about 5:10. So it's currently 55. So they should be done shortly. But in the meantime, it's time to tidy up all the mess I've made. Right then, so they have just come out of the oven, and let me tell ya, I'm pretty proud of this. Right, so I'm gonna pan down and I'm gonna show you. Look at them. Don't they look don't they look, oh, it's all wet there. Don't they look so good? Like these ones, look at that one. They look really good. I can't wait to try them. I'm so excited. Let me know, do you have jam and cream, or just butter on your scone? I tend to just have butter. I don't really like, I don't mind a bit of jam and cream. I feel like that's just really posh, and I'm just not like that. I might cut into this one because it's a little one, just so I can show you the inside. But apparently, the way that you know a scone is ready is if you hit the bottom of it and it should sound hollow. So I mean, I think that sounds hollow. I'm going to cut one in half and see what it looks like inside. I've got a knife, so I'm going to cut it like this. Oh, it looks really nice. Smells amazing. I'm not going to have one yet because tea's cooking, so I'm going to have one after I've had my tea, and I'll let you know then how it tastes. Alright then, so that is the end of today's video. So I hope you all did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload. But yeah, this video was really fun and I really enjoyed filming this one. If you have any suggestions, leave them down below and I will be sure to film any content that you wanted me to. Also, don't forget to go and follow my Instagram. I'd really appreciate that. I'll leave that in the description box down below with the recipe for these scones. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!